GCSE June 2010, question 9. Question 9 then, we've got a total of 5 marks. We're going to hear the music 3 times. Question 9A, name the solo instrument for 1 mark. Question B, which family of instrument provides the accompaniment? So we must be thinking brass, woodwind, strings and percussion. Name or describe 2 different instrumental techniques used. So we need to home in on the instrument or instruments and decide on techniques being used. So let's have a little listen first of all. We can possibly go for question A first, and obviously then which family of instrument provides the accompaniment. So identify the solo instrument and which family is accompanying. Here we go.
Here is the excerpt for the first time.
Okay, right. So the name of the solo instrument, right? It's an instrument that has got quite a kind of marshmallowy kind of sound to it, and it's a woodwind instrument, and it's the clarinet. Sometimes you can confuse the clarinet with a brass instrument, which is like the cornet, but the clarinet has that kind of marshmallowy, very fluid, smooth kind of sound to it. So clarinet. Which family of instrument provides the accompaniment? Well, that was underneath the sort of squidgy accompaniment, which was the string family. Now we've got to go on and name or describe the 2 different instrumental techniques used. So we've identified here that we've got the string family accompanying. We've got to now identify different instrumental techniques used. So with strings, they can play with the bow, and they can play pizzicato. They can also double stop, meaning play 2 notes at the same time, and they can also do glissandos. The solo instrument can play legato, it can also play staccato. So let's have a little look at what some of the answers are here. So the answer was clarinet, and it was strings, and we've got with a bow, which is con with arco bow, pizz, iccato. They will accept pizz because it's abbreviated, meaning plucked, or you could have written plucked. And then the last question was asking us obviously about dynamic, which we've missed off here. So the last question was, which of the following dynamic markings best applies to this excerpt? Tick your answer. And the music crescendoed and it diminuendoed. Here it's just crescendoing, it would stay at that level of loudness, or it was getting quieter and then stay quieter, or it was getting quieter, diminuendo, crescendo. It was the second one.